Hello and welcome back to the another video of the Java tutorial series. So today we are seeing inheritance in Java part 2, wherein we'll be discussing each and every type of inheritance in Java. There are basically five types are there: single, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, and hybrid. And as you know, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. We'll discuss why not it is not supported in Java in our later videos. But for now, we will see in this video, particularly we will seeing into single and multi-level inheritance in Java. So let me just open my IDE. Okay, so here you can see single level inheritance is nothing but one class is inheriting the properties of another class. Like class A is parent class here, and class B is inheriting the property of the class A. Okay, so we'll see one short example of single level inheritance. I will just write a new class inheritance. Let me increase the font size. I will import the main method, and now I will declare one method inside this. For that, before that, I will create one class called animal. Inside this class, I will declare one method name as eat, and this method is not accepting any parameters, and return type is also void. That's why it is not returning anything else. I will just print eating. Now I will create another class name as dog, and as we discussed in our early video, for implementing the inheritance we use the keyword extends. I will write extends animal. So here dog is a subclass or the child class, and animal is the parent class or the superclass. Okay, and the dog class is inheriting the properties which are properties of the animal class. Now I will create one method here name as bark, and I will just simply print barking. Okay, now inside my main class, that is the inheritance class, and inside my main method I will create the object of the dog class. Let me call it as dog1 is equals to new dog. Okay, and I have created the object of the class, and I will write d dot bark, that is the dog1 dot bark, and dog1 dot eat. Sorry. And now if I run this class, mm, here you can see barking and eating is getting printed on the console, because in animal class, that is a parent class, we have written the void method, void eat method, which is printing eating on the console, and inside the dog we have a bark method, and which is printing barking. And using the object of the dog class, that is dog1, we are just calling the method bark and eat. So here you can see we are written the implementation part of the eat method inside the animal class, that is the parent class, and still we are using it by the creating the object of the dog class, because we have inherited the properties of the animal class inside the dog class. That's why. So this is a simple example of the single level inheritance. And next we have multi-level inheritance. So let me just go here, and I will create one another class name as multi-level inheritance. Now let me just increase the font size. We'll write my main method, and as you can see here, multi-level inheritance is nothing but multiple classes are inheriting the property. As you can see here, Class C is inheriting the properties of the class B, and class B is inheriting the properties of class A. Okay, so we will try to implement this inside our code. So I will take the same example as we have taken for the single level inheritance. I will just copy this animal class inside this class. Okay, why is throwing error? Duplicate class found in Acha. Oh, sorry, we are already written this animal class over here. And let me just comment this out so that IntelliJ IDEA will not throw the errors. Okay, here we have this animal class, and one dog class is also I require. I will just copy this dog class also. Okay, and I will require another class so that I can have three classes which are inheriting the properties of animal class, and I will write new class name as, let's suppose, baby dog, which is inheriting the properties of dog, and it has its own method known as void. Let's suppose whip, and I will just simply print whipping. Okay, here you can see one parent class is there, name animal. One eat method is there, and dog is extending the animal class, and baby dog is extending the dog class. So here you can see one class inheriting the another class, and that class is also inheriting the properties of the main parent class. Okay, so simply we will create the object of the baby dog class. Let's suppose dog1 is equal to new baby dog. Okay, and now if I write dog1 dot whip, whip is the method, I guess this is the method. Sorry, I have written wrong here. Now it's okay. Whip dog1 dot bark dog1 dot eat. Now if I run this class, the output should be whipping, barking, and eating. Here you can see. Now in hierarchical and hybrid we will discuss in the next video, and we will also discuss why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Thank you for watching this video.